Hello, my little angels. Welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
And I'm Nana Bhan.
And I'm
We didn't allow you to speak yet.
a no one.
Wait, let me give the context, okay? Here's the thing. All you bitches, you're like, we don't want guest episodes, guess, no, Sakshi Naina, always, forever. But we're convinced that guest episodes are the future. And so we got like our strongest
player.
player, the Pokemon of the century,
No pressure.
Alia Kashyap, second generation artist.
Nana would call you a Nipori.
I love that though.
How is she a Nepori though? She's a
Nepo
content
baby
creator.
That's not an actor.
I'm a Nepo baby that didn't have the talents to actually be a Nepo baby, so I went the other way, which
You're like,
was
I'll
the
spill
content.
my
What is
family
sorry,
secrets.
what is the talent that is specific to launching your career as an actor and not?
Acting. You know?
I think her dad specifically takes talented people in
Yeah.
his movies.
and actually, my best friend Ida, who's an aspiring filmmaker, she did a short film in college, and she asked me to act in it because the main person was supposed to be Indian, and I was the only other Indian girl in our college full of white people. So she asked me to act in it. Took a lot of convincing. I acted in it. I sent it to my dad, and I was like, "What do you think?" And he said, "Thank God you didn't you weren't an actor."
I want to watch you like audition for Gangs of Wasseypur.
I will start crying. I'll just be crying the whole time.
Do you know any dialogues from it?
बाप का
बाप का भाई का सबका बदला
बदला
लेगा
लेगा.
तेरा something.
Something.
Appu. I don't know.
तेरा
Signed on. I believe in the talent. Yeah.
you.
I'm offering you 3 films.
You may not fit the cut for Gangs, but for Moment of Silence, I think you fit right
honored. I'm honored. I would rather be here anyway.
So that's Alia Kashyap, right? And you know what you are? Not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to Moment of Silence. Come on, get your moms, get your dads, get your dogs, get them all. Subscribe to Moment of Silence before we get into this episode. Did you do it? Huh?
We can't get into the episode or stop Nana from acting like that till y'all don't subscribe. So subscribe right now.
I'm unsubscribing right now.
Our strongest player, no.
Let's get into the video. We're discussing type of friends in a girl group.
I have a lot to say.
What type of friend are you? Let's begin with you.
I am I don't know if there's a name for it, but I feel like I'm like there. I'm supportive. I will like hide the dead body, but also I'm flaky. So if you call me and you're like, I need help hiding this dead body, I'll be like, I'll be there. But then
Tomorrow.
I'll like call last minute and be like, actually, I don't want to leave my house. Can you just handle
Can you
it?
just bring the body over?
Yeah,
and-
exactly. Exactly.
I think it's like a ride or flake.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
When she's there, she's there. But when she's
Yeah.
not there,
I'm not there.
she dead.
But with Alia, she's always down to hang out in her house.
Yeah.
Like you can go to her house, she'll like get you situated, like all of
I'm
that. will
happy to
happen.
host. I will
Yeah.
make you whatever food and drink you want as long as I don't
Yes.
have to leave the house.
And when she has to leave the house, like 88% of the time, you will flake
Yeah.
last minute though.
Yeah.
So she'll be like, I'm not coming, but you too cannot enjoy.
Yeah.
You cannot make a plan.
Yeah.
I was drunk the other day and I was like going at Alia, but then she got me a bag as a gift, so I had to stop.
It was just to be like, I get you, but take this and shut up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I was you in a last life.
Really?
I was this exact person in Delhi. Like, I love to host. I hated to go out.
Yeah.
So I too am a ride or flake. But right now, my other friends have told me that I'm also a casual shit stirrer and loyal.
And loyal.
I just love to just talk shit for fun.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, but like Naina's good at it. Like she'll sit in the middle of a group and she'll ask questions that get the crowd ticking.
Yeah.
But in like a very like they're going to fight once she leaves. type
Call me
of
the
way.
Machis ki Tilli. and call yourself the bonfire.
The gas. Call yourself gas.
Gas.
Gas. Yeah.
Hot girls have IVF.
I didn't have that, so I
Yeah.
have anxiety.
Hot girls are just plagued with various issues, you know.
Honestly, though,
Look
I
at
really
these
feel that.
Nimble shoulders, taking on
How
the
much
weight.
can we carry? Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of friend are you? Ye batao.
I don't know actually. You
I
guys are my
know.
friends. What kind of friend am I? You
You're
know.
the gossip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always know everything that's happening, and I feel like I'm good at storytelling.
Yeah.
And I deliver the gossip.
You really like create a visual experience.
Right?
Yeah.
And what's better than that?
You know what I find damn interesting? Like, everyone knows that Sakshi will tell their secret.
Yeah.
And yet, they go to her
They
with the
still
go-
trust her. Yeah.
It's not even about trust. It's like some cheap fantasy, you know, where they're like, I wonder if I'll end up in this Michael Scorsese rendition that that Sakshi will make this sound like. You know what I mean? And I'm like, I want someone to look at me the way you look at me.
I feel that
Hard.
though. I really do. I feel like she really creates like a full like sensory experience with sound effects and like
She
just
is the
like-
sound effect.
I am the sound.
Yeah.
Thanks. That's not on purpose. That's just. No, but I love storytelling, and I feel like I just want to be entertaining, you know? When you're
Yeah.
having like a down day, it's like, oh, what has Sakshi heard this week? And that, like, if you think of me like that, I feel like I've done my job.
Yeah.
You're killing it. Which one of us disappears for a boyfriend? Because there's always that friend in the group.
That is true.
I-
I think I used to be that in
Yeah.
my teenagehood.
She's like, now you come over, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I don't have to
Now it's
disappear.
fine.
Now I just make him go into the room whenever I'm done.
you're like, is that Kai scratching at the door or Shane?
That's shade.
99% of the time it's Shane being like, let me out.
Please.
I came from America for this. So now you're not that girl anymore.
No, I used to be. When I was in my teenagehood, where my whole life revolved around boys, and I was like trying to live a fantasy that I would see in like Gossip Girl. I was like, you know, only hanging out with my boyfriend. Also because all my other friends dropped me for a little bit, so my boyfriend was the only dude I had. And then anytime someone would be like, come over, I would be like, can he come? And if they would say it's a girls' night, I would be like, actually,
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
Okay,
I'm not proud. I'm
fucking
not proud.
I fucking hate when like it's a girl's plan and then like the boyfriend tags along like find a pet sitter. It's not that hard, you know, like but I mean I've definitely been guilty of that.
I've been guilty of
Even
it
I've been
too.
guilty of
It's
it.
that sad argument you make. He's not like other boys. He's just one of the girls.
Girls,
Yeah.
and he's never one of the girls. He doesn't get the vibe. He doesn't ask the right questions when gossip is being filled.
Staring at the cricket match playing from 10 years ago.
It's like, why does he even want to be there, you
Yeah.
know? And
I
which he
know.
doesn't. Like, every time I've had a guy friend, like, come on girls' night, I've convinced my friends of it. I've convinced the guy of it. And I've had a bad time at the end of the day.
Yeah, because also most of the time they either sit in the corner silently observing and they're like, no, they don't add to.
Yeah.
It's like it would be the same if they weren't
yeah.
there.
But
you
they're
know?
just there silent and like staring at the room
Yeah.
and like now your girlfriends don't know whether they can tell you about the time a dildo was shoved up their ass. You know, like what is the boundary?
Then you come home and then he gives you receipts on your friends.
Yeah.
And then you are meant to like feel gaslit to believe that all your friends suck and are toxic.
Yeah, like the
And they
lowdown. And I
What's
know
wrong
that.
with that? I go there to like fucking.
But so
blow
am I.
steam.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's like I'm just like them. So if
Yeah.
you don't like my girlfriends, you probably don't
You're-
like
you're-
me
if you're
that
bitching
much.
about my friends, that means you don't like me.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
He generally doesn't like
Yeah.
me either.
Are you different around like your boyfriend compared to your GFs?
I do like I can hear my voice go up a little bit. Like when I look at now videos when I'm recording, the voice it pisses me off. It's like, oh my god, did you like that? And I'm like, did I? I never knew I had a baby voice with my partner.
I've actually experienced that too. Like sometimes I'll be talking to Shane and I'll be like, Shane, can you get this for me? And then when I'm with my gals, I'm just like,
Yeah.
you know?
You're like a bro.
Yeah.
I feel like you are pretty much the same.
I am,
Like,
yeah.
And
Yeah.
also, for context, Alia is engaged to her fiance Shane. They're very cute together. And Alia is literally the same around her friends and Shane. And Shane is just the sweetest guy. And it's like, is he okay?
A
when
lot of
Alia's-
people are like, how are you together? You know, like he's so calm, and I'm just like,
You're like bouncing off walls sometimes. So it's very
Literally.
fun to watch.
yeah,
Every ball needs a paddle.
who's the ball and who's the paddle?
You're the ball for sure. You just sounded like
No,
one.
because he has a ball, so I was
Oh,
confused.
he has one ball.
He has one ball, one giant ball.
Sorry, Shane.
You know, I do this all the time. I like go to everyone and like talk about Shane's secrets, and then we'll go home, and on the way back he'll be like, I really wasn't expecting you to tell people that. And I was like, oh, was it a secret? I thought people like could know that.
That's why I wanted to get Alia a little tipsy before the pod, so she'll like spill all
Spill.
the secrets.
After this day, I'll never look Shane in the eye again.
Just one
You'll
giant
imagine his
ball.
one ball.
Are you serious?
No.
Okay, that
Are you
to double check. Can I look Shane in the eye or
We
not?
cut out the "Are you serious?" part. It's like that's true though.
He does have one ball.
Just one
People
singular
start
ball.
DMing
It's
him
like a
and being
disco
like,
ball. It just drops at midnight.
What is this conversation about Shane's
Girlfriends.
ball?
That's what we were talking. Sorry, Shane.
Got a little distracted by a ball.
You know who I think the worst type of girlfriend is? A flake.
Honestly, I agree. I agree.
No. I think the worst type of girlfriend is someone that is like, giving you advice, but it's not for you. It's for her version of how your life should turn out. Like,
One of those like mom ones, but like that are overly mom-like.
Yeah,
that
like
are just
they-
like, yeah.
they hate every guy you date, but they don't have a reason except that they want you to be alone, or I don't know what the reason
They're
could be.
controlling and
Yeah,
jealous
yes.
is what I call them.
Yes, I agree.
Hi. I'm Nana Bhan and I'm controlling and jealous.
No. No. Naina's very
Controlling and jealous.
You've never said anything about anyone's boyfriend, but
That's maybe not to you.
oh,
Somebody has to ask me and I'll give my advice because I genuinely think that all women can do better. It's a
that's
blanket
true.
statement.
I agree. Yeah.
And if you're asking, I'll say my bit. If you're not asking, I'll think my bit.
But
I
is
know.
it like, in general, you'll just say negative things, or you need a reason?
No, not negative. It's I approach it like a good therapist. Like I want you to arrive at the solution yourself.
I'll just push you to
I'll
it.
just guide you.
Yeah.
gently.
By saying he's a
That you need to leave him.
yeah, you can do better, babe, and the friend is just a feral person who cannot do better.
No, but that's the thing also now. All friends lie to each other because they're like, yeah, we totally take your advice, but they literally go and
Do
sleep
the
with the
opposite.
person like
Yeah.
2 seconds later. The fight has been made up. She has apologized. She has done the whole thing. But then when you come back to your friend circle, you're like, yeah, I really gave it to him hard. Like I gave him a tough time. But you were
You just gave him a hard
Embarrassing.
blowjob. That's what you
Yeah.
gave him.
exactly. I didn't want to say it because it's a very like family affair.
Okay.
Is it though?
Oh, by the way, I was on this, I was in a circle and I was like, sometimes you send your friends nudes for approval.
I do.
Right?
I do.
Yeah, okay. Do you?
I haven't needed to send a nude in a very long time, so I can't remember. Back in the day, yes,
Do
the
your
portrait
friends-
master used to take approval from my sisters as he painted
Yeah,
me.
even for me, it was back in the day. Not so much anymore because I live
Yeah.
with Shane. If it's like he wants a
Yeah.
nude, I'll
Not
just go take my
anymore.
clothes off and be like, there you go.
Yeah,
But like back in the day, I definitely used to be like, do I look hot? Is this hot
Right.
enough?
And I'm not talking like full frontal nudes.
Yeah.
I'm talking like lingerie.
Yeah.
with,
That's
like,
not
the-
even nude. That's like a swimsuit photo.
That's
But
what
I've
I
also
said.
sent full frontal to some of my friends back in the
if
day
you
and
come
be
back
like,
with
"Is it
edits, I will kill you.
Yeah, imagine they like filter it for me, make my boobs bigger, and they like send this one.
Do you Facetune nudes?
No.
No.
That's the
That's
no. Everything else, yes, but nudes, he should accept me
For
as
who I am.
body positive.
Because I don't want him to have these expectations, and then when I go there, I'm like, that's not what I
When
was
you're
expecting.
riding,
Yeah.
you have to suck
The
your
flap
stomach
is
in.
like, yeah.
He grabs your tit, it's only half his hand, and he's like, wait, they were fuller in the nude. It's like, oops.
Oops.
That's not what I paid for.
You take the face tune and you just inline.
The boob.
One boob. Too much expectation setting if it's
Yeah.
two boobs.
Yeah.
My friend circle is too wholesome. Like, all we're discussing is how the next homegrown brand that has the right pair of tights that we can all wear to the fucking gym.
Have you found the perfect type?
Face active. Lululemon forever, but like Lululemon apparently gives you cancer, so I don't know.
What?
Apparently.
You're just dropping misinformation.
I read somewhere.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Was it like an Instagram post where you read it?
No, my friend read it and sent it to me.
Is that what 30-year-olds talk about?
You are not immune with your biological, what is your health? 38?
Yeah, actually.
I'll fucking run past you.
Actually, I must say, yeah, I'm actually older than you, technically.
I mean, we haven't checked our our body age.
Yeah.
I'm sure you guys are normal. I was just not okay. Even the guy who did my body scan looked at me and he was like, he read Shane's, he's like 17. He looked at mine and he was like, 38?
Cradle snatcher.
Yeah, honestly, I was like, I should go to jail, technically.
17 is young. What is the worst type of friend for you guys?
We've only been discussing worst type, huh? No one said anything.
Who wants to talk about the
wholesome.
wholesome shit?
Yeah, there's more interest in the worst type of friends.
Hmm.
See, I'll tell you what is wholesome. Wholesome is the three of us sitting here discussing bad things because
That's pretty
Yeah,
wholesome.
and bitching.
hating together
Yeah.
is love.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's so true.
Thank you.
That's profound.
The worst thing is something that I do myself, which is like 6 times out of like 7, I'll bitch, and then the time that my friend initiates the bitching, I'll be like, no, but that person is such a nice person.
Oh my god, yes, you do that. It's not that bad, but sometimes you'll be like deep in the trenches, like bitching about someone, and then I'll be like, everybody has problems. And it's like, excuse me, 2 minutes ago we called her a bitch together. Now where is this high ground coming from? And why am I still in the fucking gutter being a female person and you have suddenly risen above?
That is a
Yeah.
bad type of friend.
But there's this thing. I was rewatching 30 Rock and they spoke about this thing. There are people that you hate respect. Like
Yeah.
you respect their hustle, but you hate them.
yeah.
And it's coming from there. Like I find that person insufferable, but I can't really point fingers because they've done really well for themselves.
I think we can all agree of who we're thinking of.
Yeah. The thing about one.
1 to 2 to 3 people that. Yeah.
So just one person came into my mind
Yeah,
and
it's
I was
like-
like relatable.
Yeah.
Gotta respect them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the worst type of friend for me, I'm not speaking from personal experience,
Not at all.
No.
is someone who doesn't make time for you. And in that way, it's like, yeah, we're all busy. We're all like
Yeah.
doing things, you know?
Yeah.
But it's like, you got to respect the friendship. Like for me, it's like sometimes I've experienced this with people where I'm the one reaching out again and again and again. And then after a while, I feel like an idiot because I'm like, and also like, I have anxiety. So my thing is like, do they hate me now? Like, what did I do? Do they hate me? Like, there's been times I've messaged my friends and be like, did I do something? Like, why do you hate me? I've messaged you as well.
Oh, because I said something in the last podcast and you were like, oh my God, were you talking about me? And I was like, no.
And then she was pissed that you weren't talking about.
Yeah.
Like, I can't
My
win.
anxiety kicks in like immediately. So if it's like, there's been times, because now, especially with, I know you guys are older, but with my age, we're all just starting out with our careers and stuff, you know?
Yes, you are.
And it's like we're busy. I get it.
Yeah.
But also, I don't want to like be the only one being like, hey, you want to hang out? And they're like, I'm busy. And I'm like texting them again a week later. And I'm like, you want to hang out? And they're like, I'm busy. And then after like the 8,000th time, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to message this person. And then I lost them as a friend. 'Cause they never came out to me.
And what's wrong with that?
Yeah. I think it was for the better.
I think life is like you keep cutting people off like a tombola ticket and then you win full house.
You know what? That's a great way to look at it. That's
Thank
what I'm going to do next time. If that person ever reaches out to me, I'll be like, you are a tombola ticket. Like, stay away
Two
from
fat
me.
ladies, 44.
88. I just want to be old in like a clubhouse sitting and playing rummy.
Bingo. Yeah.
Yeah, bingo, rummy, whatever. And just like bitching about my daughter.
Yeah. I feel that.
After
She can never be me.
40
She can
years, we
never
would
be.
make this podcast.
And it's just like, right now I'm like, I could never deal with a mother-in-law. In 40 years, if this podcast is still alive and thriving
If
and
it is,
running.
then I feel bad.
Fuck you, we're like in the
We're in this for
metaverse.
the long game. And you know, for me, 40 years from now, it's not so far.
Yeah, it's not that far.
Yeah, you know, the older you grow, your like timelines reduce. Like as a kid, if your mom said like, oh, in 5 years you can have your own room.
Yeah.
It's like 5 years, but
Yeah.
now it's like in 40 years this podcast would be thriving. I'll be like, yes.
But imagine like you like 40 years later with your daughter-in-law, but you're like super liberal and she's super trad. So you're like, this fucking chick is touching my feet all the time.
What a fucking weirdo.
I would honestly love to have a trad daughter-in-law.
Really?
Yeah, I want to be worshipped.
You want
know?
somebody to talk to your son in a goo goo gaga voice?
I don't care about
Suneji.
what's going on with them. Like you do
Oh,
you.
yeah, just
But to
with
me,
you.
I want to be worshipped.
She's like, Mummy G.
Yeah, and she's like touching my feet. I'm like, you know?
Are you Gangu Bai?
Yes. I'm like, Ashirwad. You know?
I love that. I hope that happens.
Thank you.
Do you guys apologize to your friends?
Yeah.
If they confront me.
No, I'm the full on. Like, I'll apologize even if I've done nothing wrong. If I'm like, why
Really?
you haven't spoken to me, I'm so sorry for whatever I did.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. No, if someone confronts me, I don't argue. I say, you're right, I'm sorry. Even if they're not right.
Like-
I don't care.
Couldn't be me.
I would like if there were two people in conflict, if they would just fucking say it. You know, like I want them to say it, and then
Yeah.
I want to say something back.
But you know, those fights you only have with a significant other. You would never go that low in a friendship.
I have. I have.
Share with the room.
What's the meanest thing you've said?
I don't know. I don't think I've said anything mean to my friends. That's just reserved for Shane.
Yeah.
But to my friends, I've gone low.
Okay.
I've been like, you're a bitch, you know?
Okay, yeah.
But only with Ida.
Okay.
Because I look at her more as a sister. So I'm like, I can say this to her, you know?
That's fair. For me, it's like I don't think any friendship is worth arguing. I just ghost if I'm too upset. And if they confront me, like I will apologize, but in my head I'll be like, what a loser. They care about me.
Now that you've said this, watch me anytime you don't respond to me for like 2 days. I'm like, what?
When don't I respond to you, Alia?
No, I'm just saying, like, if you're like at a funeral or something and you don't have time to respond to me, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, she hates me. She's ghosting me.
No. It's very obvious when I'm ghosting someone. You'll know.
Do you have friends who are like super into astrology, manifestation?
Do you?
Do I? No, I know this one girl who like literally bought AstroTalk.
She bought the
Like no,
Oh.
I don't have friends in those circles. But she bought like the subscription to AstroTalk. My only issue with that is that the like AstroTalk packaging is so bad. Like, I would not believe anything anyone.
I'm all for
looking
the
it up.
pattern.
You're into the pattern.
Yes, I'm into the pattern. Only because it's like crazy accurate. Or maybe they're just like reading my data and like know who I am.
Oh, the
but-
pattern is
The
like
app.
an app. Oh, I thought you were just talking about like a
Oh,
pattern
yeah,
of
even I have
universe.
one. The pattern.
It's like CoStar. Do you know
Now I
CoStar?
have-
Of course I know
Yeah, so
CoStar.
the pattern is like CoStar, but it's like nicer. And if you have friends on it, you can look at your
something
You,
rising.
like your rising and stuff,
Yeah.
and see your compatibility and things like
That's
that.
so
I added my
taxing.
dad on it, and I looked at our compatibility. It's not good.
Your dad is just catching strays from you the entire time. Do your parents like your friends?
Through high school, no. Now they love my friends.
They're okay.
Same with me. Some of my high school friends, they were like, you know, you could do better.
Yeah.
Now they're like my mother loves you. Loves you. I think she's always like, wait, Sakshi? You met Sakshi? And I'm like, you don't even talk about me like that. Can you leave me alone?
I think she just likes sushi.
No, she likes
Oh.
Sakshi.
Such a humble little bitch. You do have that personality.
If only she really knew you.
Yeah, that's the thing. I feel like I can play a character off camera.
You can
On-
you can really play like the great like friend role.
Yeah,
and
I'm
then-
just everybody's friend.
Is there any movie that you watch for like this is best friendship, this is girlhood at its peak?
Pyar ka Panchnama. But it's the dudes. I'm like, they're so coquette.
Fine.
For me, it's Friends. It's a movie.
Oh, controversial.
I know.
Controversial.
Everyone says like it's a trash show, and I get it.
Yeah.
I don't love the show, but it's like comfort. But I like the friendships in that show.
Who's your like top duo?
Chandler and Joey, also the guys.
Oh, the girlfriends. Yeah, Chandler and Joey, the besties.
Also the guys. Same for her. But I like their, they have a good little going
thing
on.
happening.
Are you a Monica?
I hate Monica.
Are you a Phoebe? I hate Phoebe.
I actually don't like any of the girls. I want to be a Chandler. Is who I want to be.
Yeah.
I'm not a feminist, guys.
I can't with Friends. I'm sorry. That's my hot take. Come for me.
Tell us.
Just kidding. I
tell us
am a
more.
feminist, by the way. I don't want a Nora Fatehi moment to happen to me. I am a feminist. That was a joke.
I can't with Friends. Like when I meet somebody and there are these red flag shows that if somebody says, I watch this, we're not going to-
Entourage.
Entourage.
I love Entourage. I'm like, am I like a
Suits.
red
You
flag?
like
I like Suits also. What else? Keep
Nahi
going.
beech mein बैठी हूँ मैं.
Keep going.
Friends, Suits, Entourage, How I Met Your Mother, Big Bang Theory.
I haven't watched How I Met
Big
Your
Bang
Mother.
Theory
Big
is
Bang Theory
okay.
is chill.
I feel
How
like-
many more people can I hate?
You know, my thing
So
is.
basically, you hate me because I said yes to every
You're
show.
just kidding. This is just
This
like
is not
a
going to last
day.
long.
No, but I will say I don't like it when people make it their entire personality to be like a Potterhead or a
Oh, yeah, I
friend's
know.
homie. Like,
Is that
you
a
know,
thing?
I don't know. Like
Friend's
just like
homie?
in their dating app bios be like, don't talk to me if you don't like friends. And it's
No,
like,
I actually, when I was on a dating app, I was like, oh my god, he's so cute. He's so cute. And you know how Hinge has like things like prompts you
Prompts,
answer?
yeah.
Someone literally was like, don't talk to me if you're not a Joey lover. And I was like, ew. And he looked like a Timothy Chalamet, which was like, I was into it. But like a musician Timothy Chalamet. He was like, had like an electric guitar. And I was like, oh my god, he's so cute. And then I scrolled to that and I was like, oh,
yeah,
never
that's
mind. That was enough for me to be
Or
like,
it's like even The Office, which great show. I
Yeah.
like The Office and I watch it a lot. But if it's in your dating app bio,
Yeah.
I'm like,
No show needs to be a part of your dating
yeah,
app bio.
exactly.
Yeah.
Like, why is that necessary?
Stand on your own 2 feet.
especially like a Beats, Bears, Battlestar Galactica.
Oh,
if
yeah.
that's in your bio,
Oh.
it's like, get a fucking personality.
Get a life.
Yeah.
I don't mind if they say like Succession.
Succession is awesome.
It's awesome, but you don't put it in your dating app bio.
I would still allow it to pass.
I would allow it to pass if it was like, I've been told I look like
Siobhan.
Roman Roy from Succession, and I'd be like, okay, daddy.
Really, though, Roman?
Hi. Oh my god, shut the fuck
Yeah,
up.
you-
I love
you're into Roman?
I
That's
wasn't into
Kieran
Roman.
Culkin, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I wasn't into Roman. I loved him as like a character, but not like hots wise.
I'll tell you what, like, it was Kendall and Roman have your pick, different issues.
I was a
I
Kendall.
can fix them both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my outlook with Kendall. I was like, if he just knew me, like I could
Yeah,
fix
yeah,
him.
for
you
sure.
know?
Like we would survive on my barter income. He doesn't need that much money.
Do you like the guys or the partners that your friends pick for themselves? Honestly.
I think most of the time, yes. There have been moments where I'm like, why? But most of the times I'm like, you do you, you know? And if like usually there's been times where some of my partners, exes and stuff have been like assholes and I've just been like, please leave him.
Yeah.
But most of the times I think they've had, at least now, I'm talking back in high school times, it was all horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
The pool was not the nicest.
yeah.
But now I feel like it's better. I think they've grown.
Do you have thoughts on this, Nana?
I mean there I can count on my fingers the number of couples in my life that I feel like genuinely good couples. Like I'm
Same.
glad these people found each other. What a good unit.
I agree.
Yeah.
But a lot of the time again I find people settling really hard.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, it's your journey. I can't really be the fucking chick on a high horse being like, actually, like, you can do a lot better.
But you can. Just ask me once.
But I'm also that girl. Like, I feel like people would have the same reaction to me.
That's the thing. People in glass house, that I'm in the glass house, so I can't throw stones, is what I feel. But I also think like the friends I've made when I'm in my 20s, they love themselves. They pick a partner wisely, you know. But the friends that are still in, like, who I met in school, and coincidentally they are also with people from school now as well. I'm like
Yeah.
because
That's actually a hot take of mine is I feel like you should never end up with your
high school
sweetheart. I feel like that's all you know. And then
Yeah.
you don't experience the, some
Right,
things that are
yeah.
out there. And also most of the times the high school sweethearts are toxic.
Because either they grow together or they don't grow at all.
Exactly.
And most of the times they,
They
don't
don't
grow
grow,
at all.
yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like that's okay because that's like you've at least experienced what else
Yeah.
is out there. But people that are with them from like age 15 to 40, it's like,
Okay.
I feel like their sex is just sad, you know?
And yeah, that's what I suspect as well. But it's not like I was having some like full blown, like in high school. So if
Yeah.
you've never tried other people.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like, but I think that's all you know. So it's not
That's
that bad.
why, yeah.
Like,
Do you have like high school friends or like friends you've known from your childhood who eventually became very questionable people?
Yes.
And then they're like so close in your circle, but you don't know what to do. Like it's getting strange now.
Yes. Yes.
give us an
Yes.
anecdote,
Yes.
Alia.
I have a friend who I was close to. He's become very questionable. I have not invited him to my wedding.
Oh.
I know that was a hot take. So if he's watching this, I'm sorry.
Dude, I have a question. Do couples feel immense power when they're inviting, like when they're making cuts to their wedding guest
No.
list? No?
it's just very anxiety inducing. So I'm like,
Oh.
oh my god, are they gonna hate me after
I would
this?
feel like a fucking god. Just like cats. Like,
But then it's not always that they're your couple friends. It's like you might have friends that you've known for a really long time, and he might have friends
Yeah.
that he's known for a really long time, and then it's a survival of whose friend gets priority
oh, power struggle.
within the
Yeah.
couple. And then there are your parents' friends who've known your parents longer than you've been alive.
Yeah.
So technically,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't feel. I don't feel like power. I feel anxiety. But there is this high school friend of mine who I was very close to. Like he was one of my closest friends, and now he's kind of an incel. So had to.
What is the pipeline of like guy best friends who's you're their only girlfriend and suddenly they become an incel? Like, I feel like that is a common trope, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they were always incels.
Maybe inside
Yeah.
it just like came out later.
it's generally the person who joined their family business.
Oh my god, he joined his family business.
Same.
Because your worldview is then super tiny because you're not really going out into
Yeah.
a workplace. Generally, if your family business if you're in your family business, it's generally you at the top and then very random people on ground. They're not
Yeah.
people your own age. You're not working in a startup where you meet
Yeah.
like-minded personalities.
You know, like exploring and getting
You're
out
just
there.
sitting with your dad, and
Yeah.
your dad's like calling your mom. It's like, khana bana.
And you're like, how did my friend become an incel?
I wonder.
His mom is like, mujhse pooch.
Yeah, the thing that gets damn awkward is like when your friends date and then they break up and then you have to get caught and many years pass before everyone can be neutral.
Yeah.
And side picking. Do you pick sides or are you just
I-
equal with everyone?
I think I've said this before, but I do think there is an etiquette to it, and I think the etiquette is you're friends with the person you've known longer,
That's what I was gonna say.
except if it was the person you know's fault. Then you pick whichever one you
Yeah.
want to.
That's what I was gonna say too. I feel like if it's someone you've known longer and like you're the person you met the other person through, then you always support your friend. You
Yeah.
know, unless it's just like you met these two people and they broke up, then yeah, you pick who you think is.
More fun,
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
entertaining.
Because one person gets definitely sadder after the break.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's just like okay, I get it. like,
But
it's been 3 weeks.
How much
Let's
did you
move
love
on.
them? Let's
Yeah.
stop it right now.
Let's go to a bar.
I okay, one friend we didn't cover was the one that trauma dumps and expects everybody else to fix
No.
her.
No, I don't trauma dump. I overshare.
Overshare is fine.
Like one sip of alcohol in me and I'll start talking about all my childhood traumas and I'm
Yeah,
just
but like trauma dumping, I feel like is like this is definitely things they should only be talking to a therapist about, or at least be also talking to a
Yeah.
therapist about. But I think at one point there was this one girl, she was like a recovering drug addict, and she like told me that I'm the only one that can help her to stop drugs.
oh my god.
And I was like, yo,
I don't want to be.
please, I don't know why you think we're that close that I can be a fucking full
That's so
functioning
much-
rehab.
that's
That's
very
so much
overwhelming.
pressure.
She's not my friend anymore. I hope she's off drugs. But it's none of my business, like I stated explicitly.
But it's like a lot of trauma dumping and then
And then
just- they
not,
disappear.
and then also like whenever they fuck up, they trauma dump as an excuse
Yeah.
for their behavior, but they won't like change their behavior.
Yeah.
That is also a toxic trait for me. It's like when you use your past trauma as an excuse for like your bad behavior. Like
That's
go to a
true.
therapist.
Yeah, come
Fix
on.
yourself.
Find
then they
a
also pick the
therapist.
cheapest therapist who's like really not going to be effective. I know some people who need to like really invest in a good therapist and they found the worst one, but they see them every day. Like just pool it all together and meet a good one once a week.
week, yeah.
It's like,
Dude.
how can you talk to someone every day? What the fuck are you talking about? How do you process a
But
session?
you don't need any like qualification to be a therapist in India.
Really?
Yeah, like there's no like one certificate. So anyone can just call themselves a counselor even if they don't have a psychology degree or like a counseling
You can be a
degree.
counselor. You can't be a therapist.
Right, yeah. You can't be a psychiatrist.
Or
yes.
a psychologist.
I think you can. Like I think you can call yourself. I don't think there's a law against calling yourself a,
A psychologist? No, you can
Or
call
a
it-
therapist, probably.
ther-
No?
This podcast has become
Therapy,
riveting.
guys, any psychologists, therapists, counselors don't comment. I'm talking
Yeah.
about psychologists and therapists, the ones that have degrees.
Let us know.
Yeah,
Let us
it's like a
know.
dietitian versus nutritionist. You know,
Yeah.
a dietitian requires an MBBS degree. A nutritionist is just a quack.
I'm going to ignore both of them after I pay them their entire months.
All the nutritionists in the comments are going to be triggered by me. But I said what I'm sorry.
Let's just talk about things that are common to every girl group. Number one, body dysmorphia.
Oh, yes.
Facts. We were just discussing. Why do you think we are?
Pillows on her stomach.
And an extension of that is really bad back posture. Hunching.
Oh
This
my
whole
God.
podcast, I was like looking at myself.
My
like
back
when
is
we were looking at the
hurting.
frames before we started, I was sitting like this. And I was like, oh no.
Why does every girl group have body dysmorphia? And each person says the other people are hot, but they are not hot.
You know,
That's what just
yeah, but I
Without taking names.
Okay, hear me out. I think that Alia's hot. I think Naina's hot. I think I could be hot, but not right now. You know, like
And I think that you're hot, and I think that Naina's hot, and I think I could be hot, but not right now.
and I think
Which-
you're wrong.
And I think you're wrong.
But it's my podcast.
You just had like, you're hot. No, you're hot.
We're all hot, guys. That's why we get to wear this T-shirt.
We
You
just
can't
bought
just-
it for $20.
Anyone can be
China.
hot.
Like friendships are so fucking annoying because they are so enabling in either direction. Either
Yeah.
you make the worst decisions or you make the best decision. Like the other day we all went out. It started so well. That was all good decision making. And then we drank too much and then it was bad decision making. But I came back home feeling just fine because I was with my girls.
Yeah, I'm like, we all did it, so it's fine.
So
Yeah.
it's fine.
If it was just me, I would be like, maybe I'm an alcoholic.
Right,
but it was
but just-
all of us.
And we just never spoke about it up until right now.
I just deleted the videos from
Bro,
my
same. Dude, I have a video of Alia actually. There's this really drunk girl
I'm so
dancing
really
in
scared.
front of her and she's screaming and Alia's like dancing.
Me at every party.
And then I zoomed into your face and you were like,
I was like, I don't know what to do right now.
but it was too funny. I deleted the video because
Thank
of
you.
other elements.
No,
but
thank
I would
you.
have just zoomed into your face.
every girl group has one girl who has intense PCOS and is like debilitated by her period every month.
Yeah,
It's
that's actually very.
1 in 3 women.
It's not me.
Oh, yeah, like
We're the
We're
exception.
okay, neither any of us, none of us.
I have PCOS, but it's not debilitating.
Do you have PC? Are you debilitated by? I just have mental issues on my period. Like I've told you,
Yeah.
I want to go to a psychiatrist and get prescribed some kind of medication.
PDD, it's called.
Please,
Pre
thoda phailao.
I don't remember. PMDD, sorry. Premenstrual depressive disorder. I have
got
it too.
that.
I got
Oh.
it too.
Every friend group has one friend who is in love with a different person every week and we have to hype them up. You know,
I know exactly.
she just messaged.
That's so true.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
Not much to say.
not to add to your watch.
She knows we're talking
She
about
knows
her.
we're
We
talking
love
about-
you.
We love you. But
Do better. I'm
dude,
kidding.
so I was talking to this one friend of ours, our common friend, who is in love with someone else every week, and she just has so much love to give, but she always picks the chomuest chomu of all of them, and then it's like, you know, that could be the love of her life. So I'm not gonna say anything.
No, but
mean.
for me, it's like it angers me because I'm like, you can do
Yeah,
so
just
much
look
better. Look at
in the
yourself.
mirror, like you're so hot.
I know,
but
like
yeah.
you can do so much better.
But at least she's not the person in like a 12-year relationship with an asshole, and now the whole friend group is just like they know he likes
Yeah.
other people's pictures on Instagram.
That
What the
also
fuck are we
reminds me.
talking
no, no
Oh,
one
okay.
particularly.
That also reminds me. I feel like every friend group also has one friend that is always with someone who's way, way, way below their
Yeah.
Yeah.
standards.
And there's also that one friend who gets cheap thrills out of the other friends dating people every week
Yeah.
because they are in a relationship
Yeah, and they
and
need
they want to
some
fuck. Yeah.
Some
vicariously
drama,
live
dude,
Some
yeah.
drama.
Yeah.
I love when my friends are dating fucking Rex.
Yeah, just because it like provides entertainment into my
Yeah.
life. Not that I'm a toxic friend or anything.
I'm not encouraging her. I'm just
Yeah,
listening.
I'm just enjoying.
But if she's
Absorbing.
enthusiastic,
Yeah.
I'm here for the journey.
Yeah.
Does every friend group have like shared exes or hookups?
I don't think I have.
I don't think so. I don't have any shared exes or
Hookups, yeah.
Like
Hookup, yeah, same for me. Just one
Yeah.
guy that three of us hooked up with.
Same.
Yeah.
But it was also, he was playing all three of us simultaneously.
Oh my god, same.
Yeah, like we didn't know the other person was hooking up with them.
Yeah.
And now we're all friends, and that guy is just somewhere in a loserville.
So well. Yeah, but not exes.
Not exes.
I feel like I'm better than that.
yeah.
You know?
I
I would
don't-
like to believe.
Are you a good Instagram stalker?
Oh, I'm great.
Investigator.
But honestly, I have to say Sakshi is top.
Great. Is top.
She is just in.
Thank you.
It's
That's
a talent.
one thing I've dedicated.
Like
my
you
life.
need to open your like a specific specialized private detective company where people can come to you to stalk their exes.
It's so fun for me because you just don't even have to give me a name. You just have to give me
Some
vague
detail about them.
details. Yeah.
6 foot. Kind of funny on a Tuesday.
Yeah.
Like, let
I'll
me
find him. Yeah.
Because she did such a good job. We found out that one of Shane's friends was bitching about him on Reddit.
Yeah.
And
That was your investigation?
yeah.
Yeah.
And
Oh my
she
god,
went-
Raj Shamani was talking about it on his podcast the other day.
What?
Yeah, he was talking to the crime bureau chief. And she said that one of our youngest thought leaders from Mumbai, Versova, Sakshi Shivdasani, was deployed on a solo mission. None of the other senior agents knew about it.
Stop it.
Please don't give clout to Raj Shamani's podcast.
Raj Shamani, listen, Raj Shamani, Sakshi and I have something to say to you.
Oh my god. Okay, hear me
Raj,
out.
if you're listening to this, since we share the same
Lives in my
management,
daddy's building.
we have many degrees of separation.
You know, his dog, I think, was off leash in the building.
yeah.
You know the building. And I sent it to Naina and I was like, Raj Shamani's dog did this today. But what we were saying is he was styled by the very talented Dolly Pop at Dolly Pop on Instagram for Cannes with the haircut, sambas, a crop jacket, some baggy pants. And I sent it to Naina and I was like, why is he kind of...
Shut.
The jacket, the styling
Wait,
was
I need to see this.
immaculate.
Dude,
It
I
was
need to-
really
you have
good.
to see this. And-
Insert food.
No. Stop it.
He looked really good. I was waiting for him to come back from Cannes and
I need to
texted
see
him.
this. I need
Are
to
you
decide for
texting him?
myself.
I will. There
I'm
was a-
rooting for you.
Dude, when styling does something,
Yeah.
it does something.
Yeah.
And for long, I've been to so many like events over the last year, and like styling is dead. It doesn't do anything. But this
Why
did
is he
something.
Oh my god.
Why is he kind
Oh my god.
It hit.
It does. Yeah.
You know,
I don't know.
I
I
love
think
this
it's the I
jacket.
think it's the tucked in shirt with the
It's
jacket
the
and the
haircut.
sunglasses.
It's such a good jacket.
and he's
It
got
is a really
those
good jacket.
lips.
I love that.
So anyway,
No,
Thank
see
you,
in
Raj,
this,
for-
only in this. Like
Yeah.
he's doing the little pouty pout.
thanks.
No,
Yeah, like he's got that smiles, but his
Smirk.
eyes are covered.
it's called a smirk.
Yeah,
Get Raj Shamani to 1 million followers. He's very close.
he's at like 2 mil.
Get him to 2.5. Get him somewhere. We too are very close to 1 million subscribers. Just subscribe and get our podcast right
Wait,
there.
you guys are at 1 million subscribers.
We're at 14,000.
Oh, I was
Just a
like,
smidge
I
away.
was like,
I
wow.
was like, I need to sit up straight.
I know. I was like, should I plug my stuff
There
now?
aren't even that many women in this country.
I was like, I know you're good, but are you really that good?
Listen,
We're
we
not.
are undiscovered
I think
gems.
we're just underrated.
We are super
Yeah,
underrated.
that's
Us
the
and
best way
Raj.
to put it. I think I'm underrated. I think you're underrated.
We're all
Can we talk about our sex lives with our female friends? Like, how deep do we go?
Yeah.
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 No, but I've noticed.
You need to.
Yeah.
You need
Yeah.
a gal's perspective on certain things that only
Yeah.
a gal would get. You know?
Yeah. You know, I was hooking up with this guy once and he had this thing where he would like to stick his tongue in my ear. And I was like, that's not normal. So I asked a friend and she was like, that's normal. And I was like, what? And then I asked another friend and she was like, there's something really wrong with you. So I feel like we need to share experiences.
Yeah. To like, you know,
to know if our partner's a sex freak.
yeah, to decide whether like we are also freaks for even like going through it and not stopping it.
Right.
Like if someone put his tongue in my ear, I would just be like, "Get away from me!" Like,
the
what are
fuck
you?
out.
I don't want you to spit
You know
in
how
my
people
ear.
I
shave
can
their
hear the
legs?
ocean.
I start.
Cleaning out your ear.
Have you ever wanted to get that? You know that roadside ear cleaning?
No, I've not even
I
seen
think
it.
that's just you.
Yeah, I really want to do the candle wax thing where they pour candle
Oh,
wax
yeah, yeah.
in your ear and,
And
then
then like take it out
Yeah.
and it has like your earwax.
yeah.
That's just
Oh my
you,
god. I
babe.
was sleeping one night like on my side and I woke up. I felt something like drop and like a huge piece of wax just
Oh my God,
fell
that's
out like a
happened to me.
turd.
That's happened to me.
In
But
one
not with it
piece.
falling out. I was like cleaning my ears with a Q-tip and I took it out and it literally had like a giant piece of wax like on it and it was like brown. And I was
Yeah,
like-
it's like a yellowish brown.
yeah. And I was like, is
And
there,
honestly,
do I
it
have
has
some
a
kind of
good
disease?
Consistency.
Yeah. Honestly, cleaning out my
You feel
ears
like
is one of the
saving
most
it.
satisfying parts of
That's
my
true.
week.
Yeah.
It's just so satisfying.
You clean your ears every week.
Yes.
That's fucked up.
Yeah.
Even if I don't need to, but because I just enjoy the process
Yeah.
and I like looking at it after
Yeah.
to like
Sometimes
really
you want to
feel.
like put a chain on it and wear
Yeah,
it around
I
your
know.
neck.
Like this is me. I'm so proud of it.
But I've noticed if you wear like
Mold it and put it in a kiln.
No, you can even you take the wax off and turn it into a little sculpture,
Should we do
like
a
a heart
small
sculpture
business?
and put-
like
Ear
people
wax?
send your earwax.
you create
We'll
little
make his
molds
and
out of
her
it.
lockets out of you and your partner's
Oh
earwax.
my god, that's a great idea. I'm
That's
like,
hard.
I will invest. I will invest in this.
Oh, by the way, we all have one body part that we're hiding from the camera till we get paid. So for me, it's my feet.
For me, it's my navel.
What is it for you?
I've shown everything. I'm very.
Have you
open.
shown your butt?
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Which
Butthole.
Gitanjali mein ye sab tha? That's the movie, right?
Gayatri.
Gitanjali.
It's just Alia's laser vlog. She's showing them the shaving of the
Process
vagina.
Shaving my
Like
vagina.
I'm very honest and open with my audience. This is my asshole laser.
being like
Six
shaved.
part
Right,
series.
Doing it for the experience. So you don't have to.
Just, I have a question.
Please.
What's up?
Have you guys had your vagina laser?
Yes. I have.
Why does it kind of
You know,
feel good?
like the electrostimulation thing. Have you heard of what electrostimulation is?
I know that rat experiment.
Call me a rat because I don't mind a little zapping.
In your pussy.
Not in.
Out.
Around.
Around.
Like it's like a right up there with like nipple clamps.
Have you ever had nipple clamp?
No, but
No,
that's what
yeah,
I
I'm like,
imagine
I
it would be.
fucking knew it. She throws these words like she's some fucking sex addict, and she's not.
Dude,
this,
no, I
this
read-
girl hasn't gone beyond missionary in her
No,
life.
I have. I've gone doggy once.
Once. And that was for sushi.
Missionary without kissing, just eye contact, and there's no humping, just soaking. Just to feel close to another person. And we don't hug, we like shake hands instead of kissing.
That's too intimate.
And after you guys are done, you're just like,
Pleasure doing business
thank
with
you.
you.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
This is gonna make it to Cannes next year for sure. This podcast.
Just me and Raj. The worst part, guys, I'm not hitting on anyone.
Seriously, we want to put a little ticker. No one in this podcast is hitting on. Oh God, sorry, Sushi. No one's hitting on anyone.
Just having a good time.
We're appreciating good style.
You
Good
know,
jackets.
yeah. We hope Raj hires the stylist full time.
all the
because-
time.
All the time.
All of the many times.
Unless he takes his clothes.
I can't hold this mic anymore.
आ जाओ शेयर करते हैं. This can be our common ex.
But
But
You don't answer my question.
Oh,
Does laser feel
I
good?
haven't done it, so मैं क्या बोलूं?
What part feels good to you? Like the top or the sides?
The sides.
The sides. I
Yeah.
get it.
Okay, good. Because I was like, am I just like a weird, like, not normal horny person, or does it actually feel good?
It feels good on the first time
Yeah, the
because
first
it's like
time.
small zap.
Yeah.
But as it gets,
When they increase then it's just like I'm yelling in pain. But
yeah. That's but are you guys like kinky or like vanilla? Nenas. Like half one door is into asexual.
If
for
I've
Nena.
opened my eyes today, it's a great day. That's where I'm at right now.
Like, do you like a little bit of pain?
Sorry, mother. I like a little bit of
Spanking.
a little bit of spanking, a little bit of spice. You know, I like a little bit of choking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's hot.
If that's not the most vanilla thing, I don't know what
Dude,
is.
also, like, most guys don't know how to choke.
That's
That's
true.
my cause for this episode.
And yet, so many women die from choking.
I'm saying they don't know how to choke for pleasure.
That makes sense. The
Just
math.
for
Like-
murdering.
They yeah.
Yeah.
Desi crime comes in.
When Desi Crime said let's collab, they didn't know we were going to talk about choking for
Like,
1
but
hour.
why is choking kind of.
Why am I kind of like into it?
Yeah, like, dude, if someone tries to murder me by choking,
I just like moan a little.
keep them guessing.
And then maybe that'll make them like be like, you know
Be
what?
like, yo,
Like I don't want to kill you
She's
anymore.
weird, man.
Yeah.
Leave her alone. Just take her
इसको
phone.
छोड़ दो.
इसकी चेन चुरा के चले जाते हैं. चैन ना चुराना.
It's who's most likely to, friendship edition. Who's most likely to leave early from a night out?
I left the night out that day when all of us went.
Oh yeah.
And
Then I was
even-
like, where's Alia? And
Yeah,
was like, she
my
left.
go-to is an Irish goodbye.
Yeah, same.
I never say bye because everyone's like, no, stay. And I'm like, I don't want to. So I just
Fair.
leave without. So I think that's me.
But you know, you can only do that if you're popular. If you're unpopular and you leave, no one cares.
Yeah, that was me though at this party. I was like,
No.
I was like checking my phone to be like, if Sakshi and you texted me, be like, where are you? No,
You told
one-
me you were leaving.
I told you I was leaving in 30 minutes.
Oh, I was so drunk. I was like, yeah, bye.
You're like, yeah, okay,
He's
cool.
like, great, I'll find my way back. Okay. Who's most likely to sit you down when you're drunk and give you life advice?
Sakshi. Sakshi. I didn't even
It's
open
you
my
for
mouth.
sure.
This
I
is
didn't
like
even
the
open my
second
mouth.
time I've met you, but I feel like it would be you.
Stop perceiving me.
No, you've given other people advice.
who?
Karima.
I wasn't drunk, to be fair.
You were sober,
Sober.
stone cold sober. You've
Stone
given Karima
cold.
advice.
I only give sober advice.
You've given that one also advice, which she didn't take, and she's dating the guy now, and now they hate you.
So what?
So,
I did my
their
part.
loss.
Who's least likely to hug another person in
I hate
friendship?
hugging.
All of us hate hugging equally.
Yeah, I really don't hug
Alia
people.
hates hugging. You hate hugging. I hate hugging.
I only hug
So we all take
Who's
a sip.
most likely? Like out of Daya.
me.
Yeah, I hate hugging. I'm like, I have a friend who I've known for 10 years. I think I've hugged her a total of 3 times in my life.
We love
Dude.
that for you.
Only person I hug.
Nena was trying to at me with that question.
Yeah,
Don't think I didn't
sadly.
care. I got it and I threw it back with double the force. Who's most likely to share ice cream with their dog?
Yeah, please. Both of you.
I
Okay,
share
Alia
everything
more
with my
than me.
dog. I like give him my glass, be like, you're thirsty, and then I'll drink from the
Yeah,
same.
Cosmo and Alia lick the same bottle of, like, they drink the same bottle. Dude,
You also do.
not from the same
Bro,
glass.
I have
you eat the
seen
same
you.
ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah.
I've
So
also seen
fucking-
you drink water when we were at Project Hum. Sushi climbed the table and drank out of
Actually,
your
you
glass.
took that water after.
You drank from it, and then I drank from it.
Did I? I
Yes.
don't mind. I brush his teeth every day.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Who is most likely to ghost a friend?
I'm too anxious for that.
I-
I feel
I
like
would do
you.
it.
Yeah, I feel like
Yeah.
you.
Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just want to drink. Who's most likely to get with a struggling artist?
पास पे मत जा मेरे पास पे मत जा अब मैं सिर्फ थोड़े
Not
पहुंचे हुए
struggling.
लोगों से बात करती हूँ
Who's most likely to get into a bar fight?
आलिया
If I'm really drunk,
yeah,
then yeah,
yeah.
for sure.
I'll-
I've never been in a fight, but I've always wanted to be
Same.
in one.
Dude, you know, also Alia will have backup.
Yeah.
Narayan ji, her
Narayan.
driver, will walk in and beat anyone
Bro,
up. for
all
her.
of UP
Narayan
will
ji is
come
my
in
home.
for her.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
be like gangs.
No, but honestly, shout
We
out to
love
Narayan
Anurag.
ji. He's always had my
Shout
back.
out.
Shout
Follow
out to
Narayan ji.
He is my homie. He's actually one of my best friends. Like we have some great
Alia,
talks, I must
Please
say.
don't make it fucking sad.
We carried on
You
for
know,
one
he just
hour.
became a nanu.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you told
that's
me.
it.
Congrats, Narayan.
I
ji.
call you here to feel young. Your body age is 38. You are friends with a grandfather.
Our
Like,
mental age is 56.
please go away. You're yucking my yum.
Did I teach you that?
We all learn something new.
Last question. Who's most likely to have a different hair color next week?
You. Alia. Me.
I think
All
honestly
three of
either
us.
of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, and with that, I guess we can end the podcast because Naina is feeling.
I'm a little
Uncomfortable.
old and hurty.
Listen,
30.
you're 32. My body age is 38.
Don't. Only I'm allowed to tell people my real age.
Okay, you're in your
Naina will
30s.
say around 30.
Okay, you're around 30. My body age is 38. If I can sit comfortably,
That's
you
true.
can sit
That's
comfortably.
And I have a ligament tear
Just stop.
that I
You're
can't shut up
Such
about.
so much drama. I'm kidding. It was a little-
Rude. It's still tone.
Okay, babies. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to Alia's Instagram, her YouTube, and her podcast, Young, Dumb, and Anxious. She has more esteemed guests than us.
I had one esteemed guest that I
We have
took
3
advantage of my
episodes.
Nepo baby privileges for, which
So-
was my father.
And now we'll take advantage of our friend privileges and you'll see Mr. Kashyap.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Talking about
We're like,
anal.
oh, what do you think about your
are
laser?
What do you
Bye.
think about
Okay.
anal?
No, the camera's gonna cut. Bye.
Bye, guys.